How to fix Adt Doorbell camera flashing rate 2025. A flashing red light on your Adt Doorbell camera can be alarming, especially when you don't know what it means. Most people panic, but here's the surprising truth. A red flashing light usually points to a connection or power issue, not a broken camera. First, understand the signal. In most Adt models, flashing red indicates Wi-Fi trouble, low voltage, or a setup error. Solid red often means recording, but flashing is what we're fixing today. Start by checking your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your home network is working and that the doorbell is within range. Doorbells struggle with thick walls and metal frames more than people realize. Next, power is critical. Adt doorbells require a steady voltage, typically between 16 and 24 volts. If your transformer is weak or old, the camera may flash red continuously. This is one of the most common mistakes homeowners make. Restart the doorbell by turning off power at the breaker for about 30 seconds, then turning it back on. You won't believe how often this resolves the issue instantly. Open the Adt Control app and check the device status. If it shows offline, remove the doorbell from the app and re-add it following the setup instructions carefully. Another thing most people get wrong is firmware. Make sure your Adt system and camera firmware are fully updated, as outdated software can cause signaling errors. If the red flashing continues, inspect wiring connections behind the doorbell. Loose or corroded wires can interrupt power. In 2025, Adt doorbells are reliable when powered and connected correctly. Take your time with each step, and the issue usually disappears. If this guide saved you a service call, subscribe for more home security fixes that actually work.